See how this works.
Yeah, that'll do it.
I know I've seen you before. I just can't place where. What's your name?
Henry Bracton.
Henry Bulldog Bracton, MVP of the 47 World Series? Oh, be jiggered. I can't believe it. Bulldog Bracton right here in my yard. I still remember the home run you hit to win the series. I never saw a ball fly so high in my life.
Well, that was a long time ago.
That had to be the greatest home run of all time.
Grandpa, hurry, come look at this funny chicken.
What?
The funny chicken over here. See, look.
What the world?
See, I found my prize hen, Tilly.
Prize hen?
A few years ago, one of my boys found an abandoned eagle's nest. All the eggs were cracked but one. On a lark, he brought it home and put it under one of our setting hens. That's where Tilly came from.
Yeah, but she's an eagle, not a chicken. She ought to be out soaring to great heights, mastering the wind, not sitting on the ground like a overgrown hen.
What you say may be true if she were an eagle. But Tilly's always thought of herself as a chicken. She's always acted like a chicken, and therefore she's become a chicken. There's nothing anybody can do about it.
How much would you sell that bird for?
Tilly? She's not for sale.
But I think I know how I can make her fly.
Oh, no offense, but I don't think the Wright brothers could make Tilly fly. She may look like an eagle on the outside, but at heart she's just a chicken. Not worth the effort.
No, please, you gotta let me try. Everything and everyone deserves at least one chance to reach their potential.
Well,
How will the funny chicken know how to fly, Grandpa?
Oh, when she feels the breeze ruffle her feathers and sees the sun beckoning in the sky, there's something inside of her that'll tell her what she really is. You're an eagle, not a chicken. Now spread your wings and fly.
Where are we going, Grandpa?
Higher. This is home. This is where you belong. This ought to do it.
Why do we come up here?
Sometimes you need a better view of the goal before you can reach it. You're an eagle, not a chicken. Spread your wings and fly.
Well, maybe the farmer was right, Grandpa. Maybe all she was ever meant to be is a chicken.
Henry,
Where are we going now?
higher.
Grandpa. How much longer?
Oh, not much. Just up around this next bend. You are an eagle, not a chicken. You were meant to fly. Spread your wings and soar, and the world will be yours. Yes.
Grandpa, look, he's flying. He's flying. How did you make the eagle fly?
I didn't make her fly, Jennifer. It was her heart. She was an eagle all along. She just couldn't see where she belonged.